MotoCheez.
Let's take a ride on a Honda CBR600rr. It's so different from that. Shorts and a wife beater. Better get some fuel. Yeah, she runs good. Well, it's a Honda, isn't it? That's right. I turned all the noise reduction off on my camera. But you can't hear anything. I want to hear the motor. So we'll see how this audio is, huh? Going from that Honda Shadow to this is like going from a big old caddy from the 70s to a Ferrari. You can definitely feel the difference because of the rake angles of the forks and all that. I prefer the little, you know, tightness of a sport bike. I mean, I grew up with this. I grew up on this. Brother! Yes, I am all legal on this bike. Motorcyclist. Must be a motorcycle gang. Look at them all. Jeez. $5.94 a gallon.
Next destination, Blues Bridge. It's 10 minutes away. We're going to stop there and take some pictures, and then we're going to go to Bullshit where there's
Bulls Bridge they're going. Wow. A lot of traffic. What's up? Good, you?
How was golf out, man?
Are there a lot?
I was winding up this way before 3 and people out right behind me.
Oh yeah?
They were trying to get close to me to work my clean. I was like, I got a real place. So the last time I didn't have any real place. So
Are you with this group?
yeah, these are my guys. As soon as I tell them in the Army, free pass.
Oh, perfect. Have a good one. Yeah, you too. Of course the cops are out. It's a nice day. First nice weekend actually, probably in a while. I mean, I was in Florida, but I heard it was nice for a little bit and then it got bad. So of course they're out hot and heavy today. bikes out today for sure. Brother! Got no helmet on. He must not realize he's in New York. No helmet in Connecticut, but you have to have one in New York. Squirrel. Yeah, them guys are going to Bull's Bridge. That place is going to be swamped. And with a crew that size, oh my God. You'll see when we go through. That place is probably backed up past the light. On a day like today. Yeah, 600 is a good size. It's definitely fast enough. For my ZX10, I felt like I had to go fast. Like this, I feel like I have to go fast too, but it's not the same. I don't know how to describe it. Now we're in Connecticut. That guy was several miles into New York with no helmet. It is nice out today. Almost 80 degrees. Sunny. Scattercoke Road. Scattercoke Road. Fanny pack. I think they're coming back. Turning. Oh yeah, I wanted to see how many people are at Bull's Bridge. I'm gonna have to cut over Spooner Hill. Sure if there's any gravel. ride as smooth as that Shadow either. Don't look like they made it. Not a lot of bikes. Brother! Wonder if this is open. Yeah, not many people in there. Water's too cold still. Brother and sister. Brother. Woo, a lot of bikes out today. Brother and sister. Brother. And oh, that might have been a sister. I'd be afraid to do that on the Shadow. That was a nice leisurely ride on the 600rr. Runs good. No stinky mice. I'm sure you remember that. She's definitely a good runner now. I like it. I like it a lot.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.